Hey there bosses, it's Justin here from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Book Like a Boss with Flowmattic using webhooks. Flowmattic is a WordPress automation plugin you can install on your WordPress website. It works as an alternative to external tools like Integrately or Pabbly Connect, but runs natively inside of WordPress. With it, you can send information from Book Like a Boss to the most popular apps that we have today. So to start, click on Settings over here from the top menu, then click on Integrations. Here on the left sidebar menu, you'll see Webhooks. Select that. Now let's click on Add New Webhook. As you can see, we need this callback URL. To get that, let's head over to Flowmattic, then click this here. You see the integrations bar, just click that next. Just look for the Book Like a Boss integration and make sure it's installed. Once that's done, let's head over to Workflows right here, then click on Add New Workflow. Click this one here to start setting up your webhooks, then make sure to change this integration to Book Like a Boss. Choose your trigger event. For example, we're doing this for whenever there's a booking that's created, then click Continue. Now, as you can see, we have this URL. Just copy that, then we'll go back over to Book Like a Boss to the admin page, paste it in here, then select Created, since we're doing this whenever a new booking is created. Click Save. Now let's go back to Flowmattic, then let's just click Continue right here. This time we'll do a test booking to make sure everything works. Let's test book this appointment here, enter all necessary details, check the custom fields, then click Book Me. Once that's done, we can go back to Flowmattic to test the trigger, so just click this Capture Response here. And boom, we have our test booking right here. Let's click on that, and you can see all the information here that you might need. Since that's all working now, we can hit Continue, then Save and Close. And that's how you can connect Book Like a Boss with Flowmattic using webhooks. I hope that helps.